You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting names and vocabulary from French and names of famous places from history, the history of France too, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. For reference, in French it is said as Gascogne, Gascogne. In English, this is often pronounced as Gascogne, Gascogne, but in French, Gascogne. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.